In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment on QuickBooks Online, a handy skill that not only helps keep your records tidy, but also ensures that any erroneous entries are swiftly corrected. Whether you're a business owner managing your own books or a professional accountant, this step-by-step guide will give you the confidence to navigate through QuickBooks Online with ease. Let's start by getting into your QuickBooks Online account. First off, you'll need to click on Sign In. Now this is your gateway to accessing your financial data, so make sure you're heading to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page, not the desktop version. Once there, proceed by entering the credentials associated with your account. If you're logging in often, you might have your credentials saved in your browser, which can save you time. After entering your username and password, click Continue to be taken to the QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Sales section, which you can find on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on Sales brings up all the relevant information and functions you need to handle your transactions. Next, navigate to the Customers tab. This section will show you a list of all your customers along with their outstanding balances and other critical details. It's a great feature that helps you track who owes you what. Now find your customer's profile from the list. In our case, we're looking for the specific customer associated with the payment you want to delete. Scrolling through the list or using the search bar at the top will help you locate the customer more quickly. After selecting the correct customer's profile, you'll notice a small drop-down menu on the right-hand side. This drop-down is a powerful tool, giving you quick access to various actions you can take with respect to a customer's data. Click on this drop-down to reveal your options. The next step is straightforward. Find the option labelled Delete in the drop-down. Clicking Delete will initiate the process of removing the payment from your records. This is a crucial step. Ensure you're choosing the correct payment to avoid losing essential financial data. Once you've clicked Delete, the system might ask for confirmation, which is a second chance to review your choice before making any permanent changes. If you are sure about deleting the payment, confirm your choice by clicking Delete again, and just like that, you have successfully deleted the payment from QuickBooks Online. Congratulations! You've just learned how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. This process can be a lifesaver when needing to make necessary corrections and maintain accurate financial records. Remember to take your time and ensure that every step is followed to prevent accidental deletions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your QuickBooks experience more efficient and stress-free.